Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing vintage patterns just sent to me from a viewer. So thank you, Karen, for sending me this collection of vintage patterns. I've opened the box, but I have not yet looked at anything. So I'm gonna try not to make too much rustly noise with all of the paper and plastic because I know you all probably don't like the sound of that on camera. So I'm sorry, close your ears. So this was in response to the video that I made with the vintage book, and I'll try to cover up that. I didn't realize there was going to be an address here, but I mean, obviously 1962, the Work Basket. I have heard of this magazine. I have never seen it before, so I am thrilled to see oh look, recipes too. Lots of recipes. Okay, so then here's some filet. Very cool. Look at this little, is that a tissue? Oh, a glass jacket. We call it a cozy these days. They called it a jacket. Ooh, tablecloth. That's always a popular thing, a thread tablecloth. Look at this little layette. I swear, I have designed a sweater very, very similar to this before in thread, but without a collar. So cute. So Work Basket. Ah, oh, thank you, Karen. What fun. $1,000, $1,000 cash in a month. Hair off. These advertising is just funny too. Funny. New Japanese iris. Anyway, let's look. Oh, look at this one. Work Basket in Home Arts Magazine. 60 cents. April 1979. Look at that cute sweater. That's actually pretty cute. I would actually wear that. Would you wear that? Do you have any vintage things, crochet sweaters or clothes that you use? Oh, look at this. So, of course, what strikes me right away is it's black and white. It's not color. You know, most magazines today are full color and lots of pictures, lots and lots of ads. Work Basket 1964. Look at that. Oh, okay, so then there's some advertising for sewing products, recipes. So it's not just knit and crochet. It looks like it's sewing, homemaking, you know, dressmaking, food. Oh, look at that, measurements. Oh, this is interesting. So teen size 12, height 5'5". Look at this, 15-inch bust, 25-inch waist, 34-inch hips, with a 15-inch like down the back. So, and it'll be interesting when I compare this to like the quote modern sizing if things have changed, but very interesting. So teen size 12, junior size 13, Mrs. size 12. Well, this is the same. Look at this. Miss size 12, height 5'5", 1 extra inch in length from the back to the waist, the neck to the waist, but otherwise the numbers are the same. Women's size 14, she only gets 2 more inches there. And that's as high as it goes, friends. So funny. Really, really neat, Karen. Thanks for sending me these. 1961 Work Basket. Very good. Very good. Neat. Okay, so let's see what else is in this vintage bonanza. Please make sure you like and subscribe for videos. New videos come out most Wednesdays and some bonus Saturdays. I hope you're having a relaxing and valuable day. I apologize for the plastic noise. Ooh, look at this. Spreads that are different in motifs that are easy to make. Instructions for the pansy spread, page 13. 10 cents for this book. Star book number 68. Oh. Okay, I think, oh, it's fallen apart. Oh, I don't want to pull at it, so I'll be really careful. Is that the back? Nope, okay. Nice. Okay, so we've got that. Crochet ideas for every occasion. Made by Pearl Cotton, price 10 cents. Does anybody have any of these at home? What a treasure. Look at this. Pull down shades and relax. Little motifs, ornaments, or pulls for curtains. An ottoman or footstool topper. Hot pads, purse, edgings. Gotta love your edgings. Oh, look at these great photos. Little collars. And flower, what would you call that? Not a brooch, but I guess a corsage. I guess it would be a corsage of sorts. Look at that fashion. Love that. Very cool. I don't see a year on this one, but very fun. Very fun. Dolls. Boy, people love to make doll stuff, don't they? Book of Dolls. Dolls of the Americas. J.P. Coates. 10 cents. Miss Showboat. Priscilla. Miss 17. Georgia Peach. Miss Empire State. Very fun. Party Girl. Prairie Rose. 10 cents for that book of patterns. Very nice. Ooh, oh my goodness. Karen, I can't believe you sent me this. Look at this. October 1916. Wow, what a treasure. Needlecraft. This is like a Needlecraft magazine. This one says July 1917. Wow, look at this. It's like a newspaper. My goodness. Karen, I can't believe you sent me this. This is amazing. Ooh, I have to be careful. It's like falling apart. Devoted to home dressmaking, home millinery, which hat making, fancy work, and household decoration. Wow, that is cool. That is really amazing. I'm afraid to like turn the pages. Chair back in filet crochet embroidery. Look at all the, look at this instructions. Look at this dense instructions. Amazing. Answered by the editor. Please tell me what cameo knitting is. I have no idea. I should like directions for making an Irish knot in crochet. Me too. Sisters of St. Francis from Missouri. That is going to take, that's going to need some further exploration. That is amazing. And look at this one from 1916, October 1916. Look at this color photograph or color cover, 1916. Oh my goodness. Wow. I feel like I should be like looking at this with gloves on and protected light. Dainty set of lingerie. Amazing. Well, Karen, I can't thank you enough for this like trip down way beyond memory lane to the archives of our craft. McCall's Needlework, Knitting and Crochet, 1946. Wow. 35 cents for this collection. This, oh my goodness, 1946. That's amazing. Oh, wow. Absolutely amazing. Very, very cool. Blowing bubbles. Ah! Pictures from Victorian days. Look at this fashion. If you're slim or not so slim, they look pretty darn slim to me. Anyway, really amazing. Look at this one. June 1919. Wow, look at that. Oh, my goodness. I just, the word treasure just keeps popping into my mind, Karen. I can't believe. Look at that. Oval centerpieces in the new old art of knitting. Huh. Absolutely amazing. There's just really no other word to describe it other than a treasure. So thank you so, so much for these. Wow. Very cool. One feels like maybe one. Oh, a couple more here. Let me move this box onto the floor. McCall Needlework, Knitting, Crochet, Home Arts, Winter 1949 to 50. 50 cents for this book, which was oh, look at that. Botany yarn, no dye lot yarn. Wow, look at that suit she's got on. That's amazing. This is a suit knitted from 13 2-ounce skeins of Botany brand no dye lot Saxotone yarn. Oh, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip. Okay, okay. Wow, look at this. Very, very cool. Ski know-how. Wow. Knit socks. Argyle. Look at that. Argyle's always been popular, hasn't it? Slipper gifts. Look at these. Look your loveliest wedding headwear. And of course the baby layettes. Those are always, always popular. The Hero Manufacturing Company. Hero Metalcore Plastic Knitting Needles. Huh. Plastic, but there's metal in the middle. Mary Gertrude Clack's American Lady Rugs, featuring add a strip designs. Good sports. Let's cook. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh. What fun. This is amazing. Amazing. Aunt Jane's Sewing Circle. June 1953, I think that is. Wow. Household hints. Over the teacups. So these are letters from readers, matched knitted sets, Alaskan yoke sweater. Very nice. Home Arts 1936, needlecraft, 10 cents. Looks like a Rockwell, but it's not. It's Rowan. So Rowan, R-O-W-E-N. I bet somebody knows. I bet somebody in the comments below knows who that artist is. December 1936. More gifts. Very neat. Well, thank you so much, Karen. And I'll link the previous video of the vintage book up here in the description. And I hope to see you every Wednesday and most Saturdays. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for coming down a walk way past memory lane because it's before my memory, but very, very cool. So that's all. I'll see you on the next one.